Somewhere between a full-code AI development suite and a no-code app generator, you will find Base44 and Lovable, both promising to get your app idea into reality, but with very different philosophies. Lovable is all about speed and simplicity. You type in your app idea in plain English, and within minutes, the platform generates a complete working web app, front-end, back-end, database, and hosting already set up. Everything lives in Lovable's own environment, so there is no need to configure servers or link external services. It is designed for solo entrepreneurs, non-technical founders, and creators who just want to launch an MVP without touching a single line of code. The trade-off is that while editing is straightforward, deep customization or unusual logic may be harder to implement. Base44, on the other hand, takes the AI-powered team workspace approach. It is built for collaborative coding with AI assistance, integrating with Git for version control, allowing branching, and supporting structured workflows for developers, designers, and product managers. You can feed it prompts, design specs, or APIs, and it generates maintainable code in popular frameworks. It is ideal for teams that want speed without sacrificing structure, scalability, and long-term maintainability. Where Lovable shines in beginner accessibility, Base44 excels in granular control. Lovable removes nearly all technical barriers, while Base44 assumes you have at least some coding knowledge to refine, integrate, and guide the AI's output. Customization follows this same split. Base44 lets you dive deep into architecture, modify integrations, and tweak performance. Lovable is more about iterating quickly inside its own environment without worrying about the technical backend. Pricing reflects the audience. Lovable offers individual-friendly tiers with usage-based scaling, while Base44 targets professional teams with per-seat or usage-based plans. So which should you choose? If you want to get a functional hosted MVP up and running today, Lovable is the fastest route. But if you are working on a complex, long-term project that needs collaboration, version control, and a solid development foundation, Base44 is the smarter bet.